Hi, welcome back to the PowerTeacher Pro tutorial series. Once you've set up your gradebook and once you've created your categories and have them edited to show defaults, you are ready to begin creating assignments. You can do this by clicking on the Create link and then clicking on the Assignment tab underneath. And it brings us to this window. Now, you can name this whatever you want. I've called this one Unit 2 Test. Now, you can come up here and select which students are going to take this, if you like, but for the sake of this one, I want to assign this to all students. I also want to make sure that it applies only to my personal finance class. And so I'm going to uncheck all the others and leave just personal finance. If you're going to use this assignment in all of your classes, you'll want all of the boxes to be checked. Now, for category, I'm going to click on the test category. And notice that since we've already set category defaults, this has already changed to percent and this is already changed to 100. And there's nothing more to do here. If I wanted to, I could add a description, which would allow parents to see what the assignment is all about. Now I'm going to click on Save and Close. Now I can click here to get to the Score Assignment menu, or I can come over here to where it says Grading and click on Assignment List. Doing so will enable me to see the different assignments that are listed within my course. I'm going to click on Unit 2 Test. Now, you can see your list of students, and you can see just the Unit 2 test showing up here that's waiting to be scored. If I wanted to see every assignment, I could click on Grading and Score Sheet, and it would pull up a list that would show every assignment on the score sheet. Now, in order to put the grade values in, if I click on the field, you've got this keyboard over here if you're using some kind of a touch screen such as a tablet, or you can simply use the keys on your computer keyboard in order to input the grades. Okay, so now let's say that every other student received a 95. Once this student received his 95, I can now come over here and see that it's showing the 95 under the score calculator. And if I click on Fill, it will now enable me to fill the rest of the blank spaces with the scores that were earned, so I don't need to manually type anything. That's a pretty cool feature. If I wanted to add a comment in relation to this, I could come over here and click on the Comment button, and I could put a comment in here as well. Now, if I went back and I selected Fill again, and I do Comments Only, it'll actually recognize that I just typed the student's name, and it will say, "Good job, first name." If I use Smart Text, PowerTeacher Pro will automatically apply individual comments with the names of my students onto the comment for that assignment. You can do this for more than just assignments. You can also do this for terms and for things like semester exams. Thank you for watching.